Hola, mi tía Olga. Hi, how are you? Today, we're going to focus in este, ese, esta, esa, estos, esos, estas, esas. This class, I explain to you sometimes in English. Most of the time, we try to do everything in Spanish. However, I don't gonna make any translations in those things because the most important thing I recommend to all my students is you need to understand and think in Spanish. Don't think in English. That is why I explain to you something in English, but I don't make the translation for each word. Okay, because in that way you're always gonna think in English and after in Spanish. Eventually, I'm gonna stop to speak in English, and the classes is gonna be entirely in Spanish. Okay. By the way, we have very similar videos, and everything is in Spanish. If you want to have the classes only in Spanish, we have those videos available. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and receive all the notifications about the new classes. I'm going to put it every Wednesday, Pacific time, 11. Okay, we're gonna focus on that. Okay, now we're going to use our imagination, okay? And we're going to think we are here. Nosotros estamos aquí sentados, okay? This is the idea. We are here, and we already learned the names for those objects. Anyways, I'm going to review some of them. If you have any question and you don't know some objects, or maybe do you have different names, let me know in the comments, okay? I would like to help you and recommend if it's correct or not, or maybe it's the misunderstanding, okay? We have here libros, sillas, alfombra, gafas de sol, or also some people say lentes de sol, okay? Let me know which one did you learn. Today, we're gonna say lentes de sol, lentes, okay? We have here llaves, lápices, reloj, and this one could be bolígrafo or pluma. In this video, we're going to say pluma, ¿vale? Okay. In this case, again, remember, you are here, sit down here. We're going to say it, repeat after me. Este móvil, este móvil. Esta taza. Please repeat with me, esta taza. We're going to repeat here. Este libro. Este libro. Este teléfono. Este teléfono. Este lápiz. Este lápiz. Esta pluma. Esta pluma. If you see, we only use este when we're talking about masculine objects, and esta when we're talking about feminine objects, and of course are in singular. Means when the objects are close to you, near, you're gonna say este when it's masculine, and you say esta when it's feminine. Of course, if the object is in singular. But what happens when the object is not close to you? You use ese when it's masculine, And you use esa when it's feminine. We're going to practice. Repeat with me. Esa silla. Esa silla. Esa alfombra. Esa alfombra. Ese libro. Ese libro. Ese teléfono. Ese teléfono. You see, we use este when it's around this area. Ese when it's in that area. Esta, the same but feminine when it's in this area. And esa when it's in that area. Okay? We have this, este, esta, ese, esa. Now, we need to be careful here because the plural is a little different in masculine way. Okay? Normally we say when talking about plural, what you need to know is added ese, added s when it's vowel. Okay? But in this case, there are exceptions. Okay? Remember, it's not 100% rules. Always you have exceptions, and this is one of them. Este is singular, but plural, we use estos. The same happened with ese, we use esos. Okay, we're going to practice. Like here, we have these books, we say estos libros. Estos libros. But what happened here? We say esos libros. Estos libros. Esos libros. I don't have nothing feminine. Oh, yeah, here, feminine, plural. Vamos a decir, we're going to say, estas llaves, estas llaves, esas llaves, estas, esas, estas, esas. You see? We use singular, plural, cerca, lejos, and always feminine and masculine, feminine and masculine. Remember, the noun is the boss. That is what you need to follow, okay? If you say revista, feminine, or masculine, la revista, feminine. Singular, okay? La revista. Means esta revista. Okay? I don't have another revista here. That's why it's only esta. ¿Vale? If you have any question, please let me know. Si tienen cualquier pregunta, duda o sugerencia, escríbanlo en los comentarios. And nos vemos en la próxima clase.